AI is not really a bad thing.
Ngiyacela ukuyistitch impela mfowethu, ngiyacela ukuze ngikwazi ukuthi nginanele to what we are saying, and I'm so glad ukuthi uba sensitize abantu, because it seems like they are too excited about something that is very very dangerous. The AI is progressing faster than our spiritual evolution, and ngaleyo ndlela ke it will cause more harm than good. Ngivumelana nawe mfowethu 100%. I'm just spreading the message pervasively to masses njengoba ngisiteacher nje le video, creating that collective consciousness about this thing. Awona mfowethu noma yini epowerful uma uyiphethe ijika ikulimaze, yabona, ijika ikulimaze, because if level spiritual evolution sethu was equals to or more than AI, we would have used AI to create heaven on earth. But buka nje kulento ishoyo ukuthi abantu bajabulela into ezobazi more than they know themselves. Bacontrola into elula nje nansi cellphone. Uma ikhohlwe ekhaya ungazi ukuthi ukhohlwe inhliziyo ephampa igazi ngalesi sikhathi. Ubingelelo changes akasho ukuthi ngenzana noma yini noma inini noma kanjani nginombani, ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi nje umoya ungatatazeli, yabona. I'm very very glad. Good people, ngicela niyibuke le video le kaMhluli, ngicela ukuthi niyibuke le video le kaHlulu Mthakathi. Nizoyithola insight. Yazi ukuthi webhuti nabantu nje bonke, because now I'm talking to all of you good people who will have access to this video. Yabona musu uyitholile wena, wazazi wena, yabo, wa in tune, yabo, isebenza njengethuluzi ke emva kwalokho. Ngeke uzufinyelele esigabeni la khona uthi hayi AI this, AI that, because you will have, if you have mastered yourself, you have mastered everything. You have mastered everything, because life is lived from within kuze kuya external, yabo. Isuka ngaphakathi iya ngaphandle, ayisuka ngapha, akufunele ngabe isuka ngaphandle iya ngaphakathi, because you see people controlled by external circumstances, you see people controlled by external stimuli nje kalula kanjalo, because they are being dictated ukuthi what to do when and how by circumstances angaphandle. Uma uthi wena uzishaya isifuba la ukuthi mina ngiziphathele into zami, mina no one can do anything to me because I know things how they work. Like if you are confident because now you know yourself, people they become intimidated and then they say hey ungakhuluma kanjalo, attracting yabo. Ubone ukuthi kahle kahle they don't even know their powers. If they don't even know their powers and then they have something powerful in their disposal, what is going to happen? That is why they create artificial realities lawa beqamba manga bafuna ukubhubhisa umhlaba. Basebenza kanye nawo impela ama-fallen angels ukuthi beqamba manga manje nge-AI. Umuntu akasebenzisi le AI ukuthi anyuse abantu ukuthi be-elevate ithuluzi lele bengabe silethelwe lona. But I get it futhi mangabe uHlulu Mthakathi ethi lento bekumele ithinte mhlambe 200 years to come. We are absolutely correct futhi lapho ke. Ngoba it seems like siphethe isibhamu kodwa manje sibhekise ngakuthini. Sidubule sibhekisa ngakuthini. Yabo. Ngifuna ubuke nje ngento ezincane lezi bezivele zikhona. Bayi nje TikTok ukubambe phansi, awukwazi ngisho ukwenza izinto eze-personal development, ukubambe phansi uTikTok, ukubambe phansi ama-social media. Meke nje kwavela i-notification ebovu nje awukwazi nayo ukwenzani. Meke kwathi nje kenqe, you see ukuthi you are being controlled now. You are controlled by this device, yabo. Manje ke uyabona ukuthi AI ke nje le izokwenza enye into, because yona iyakukhombisa ukuthi kahle kahle wena bekumele ngabe operator kanje wena, yabo. Ngoba yona it seems like noba nathi we still have to operate on a frequency, a collective frequency domain. Sikwazi uku-communicate telepathically like isingasidingi yonke lento because we are doing things very hard because our spiritual evolution is still low yabo. But yona AI is pulling like kwi database, a very massive database ephula apha kuyona consciously, and thina we do these things unconsciously. We do asikwazi ukuxhumana thina nalelo kungani ne-universal consciousness consciously sikhulume nayo senze izinto sibe ama-programmers, ama-developers, sibe ngama-causers, singabi on the side of effects. Asikwenzi lokho thina sibona izinto sezenza naku sengishayisana nemoto hayibo kwenze njani. Wazi we are on the receiving end, we are not the developer, we are not the creator now. Naku uyavika because wena awukwazi ukuxhumana ube yi-causer, wena ube on the causal plane, ube on the cause side of things. Hayi ubona sokwenzeka nje ngobani awuxhumene nayo le universal consciousness ukuthi receive ama-intuitions, receive ama-guts akutshelayo, constantly communicating with you ukuthi hey kuseqaphela la yenza kanje la yenza kanje la, wazi izinto yabona nje mfethu ube yiyona kwayiwena nje indlela oyibona ine-information eningi leya nto ephula apha kuyona, iphula apha kwi-data. Uyazi ngithi ukuthi kune le Akashic bani record yakhona, the cosmic library enezinto zonke ezikhona, une-access kuyona yonke leyo nto, not to mention ukuthi kuwena-ke qobe emzimbeni wakho yonke leyo nto ye-universe, not to mention that it is within you, in your disposal, ayikho la kude, cha yila kuwe. Indlela nje uyabona ngizwe kuthiwa ufish awuwabona amanzi, indlela a-close ngakhona kufish ncansi isimo esifanayo-ke nala. People, they don't see ukuthi yonke le information, the cosmic information is within them, for them is just to ukuthi be-activate le nto. But-ke siphethe ithuluzi bafowethu. Ngibuke mangabe uthi ethi umuntu hey yabona i-AI izothatha amathuba ethu. Yabona kahle kahle mangabe ukuthi usufinyelela esigabeni sokuthi umuntu u-operator on the highest level yokuba umuntu, i-AI isebenza njengethuluzi, ayikwazi ukuthatha izinto zakho nokureplace uma ukuthi wena i-spiritual evolution sakho singaphezulu, ayikwazi ukureplace. Iyakwazi ukureplace mangabe ukuthi ngempela the AI is way more than your spiritual evolution, ireplace ngempela futhi. Ngoba manje yabona njengoba ngu-changes Akasha nje, uma uthi ngiyazi mina ukuthi yazi mina ama-capabilities ami ngiyawazi, I know ukuthi what I'm here for. I've just remembered now what I'm here for. I'm here to help people this way and this way and this way, okay? Yeah, well, sharp. Okay, how AI then can use me? Because I won't play AI and be used by AI. Then I'll say, okay, AI, how can we reach to people in ngesikhathi esilula, fast, easy? About just using AI to help me with journey ukuthi usivusa abantu yabo, use it in fact ipower ka-AI inkulu kakhulu. Ungenza kube ne-peace ngenye indlela, but uyakwazi ukuthi usebenze against us ngoba sisezingane yabo. Angithi manje usenale ngqondo ukuthi wena uzoqashwa vele la, uyabona kusewubungane bonke lobo, ukucabanga ukuthi wena the only thing ultimately uyacabanga impilo yakho scripted, wena ukuthi uzozalwa ufunde uqashwe usebenze ushayele umthetho uretire, ungabi nawo ngisho imali in abundance ke. By the way, le more spiritual phela yonke into kumele ibe in abundance kahle kahle, awuna limitation. Okay, well ke uhluleka ngisho ukuthenga ke mhlambe some fortune nyana cash vele ne, that's what you were here to do vele, ukuthi will be used uhlafunwe bese ubekwa kwi-palliative state ukuthi ake ulindele ukufa ke la, ngoba phela sokunikwa nje ipension into ukuthi just wait for your turn ke manje because we have used you yabo. Even this thing that you were doing, maybe it was not even fulfilling. Kahle into obuyithunyiwe la uyenzile yini, cha setshenziswa abelungu base bakudedela nje kuphela, beke i-palliative state ukuthi just wait for your turn ke now siqhubeka nengane yakho ke senza the same thing. Kuba ubwazi ukuthi uzonzani la, ubuyoqala ekusebenzeni ke well sharp, yona program ehambayo, kodwa futhi ayiwona one size fits all le ndlela le, ubuyoqala khona kodwa futhi at some point ubuyokhumbula ukuthi hayi wangizele mina lento, bese you pave your way out ukusuka lapho kwi-rat race. Well, now it's like you are selling your time to make money, you're being used. If maybe sometimes you don't even like what you are doing, it's not even fulfilling. Is that what we are here for? Ayi mina mfowethu ngiyavumelana nawe. Ngiyavumelana kakhulu nawe.